Your bedroom is filled with cancer-causing toxins. Remove them today with this bedroom detox. Many of us understand the importance of consuming organic foods and making detoxification a regular part of our health routine. Creating a healthy home environment is also part of the detoxification/clean living process. After learning about the health hazards of dryer sheets and toxic cleaning products, you may have already eliminated these products from your home, but what about your bedroom? After all, we do spend 1/3 of our lives sleeping. Oftentimes this is the room that is neglected. Start small. Creating a clean, non-toxic bedroom can be a financial challenge, so starting small is the easiest solution. Every change you can make will have a positive impact on your health. How you begin is a personal decision based on your budget and health issues. Some people begin with replacing their mattress, others an air cleaner or bedding. 1. Replace your pillows and pillowcases with organic materials. Gradually working your way through the sheets, bedding, mattress and bed frame. If it's made from artificial products such as particle board or MDF, see number 5 below. Many people make the mistake of assuming that cotton is a safer choice than synthetics, but the fact is that cotton uses 25% of the world's insecticides and over 14% of its pesticides. As you can afford it, replace your bedding with organic materials. 2. Replace or remove all artificial fabrics from your bedding, bedroom and closet. The reality is that synthetic materials such as acrylic, nylon, and polyester are made from thermoplastics. These fabrics outgas plastic molecules whenever they are heated. 1. If you wear wrinkle-free clothes, you're breathing in plastic and formaldehyde. Remember that you also absorb these chemicals directly through your skin. 3. Replace or remove artificial clothes in your closet. The base for most synthetic fabrics is a liquid made from coal, oil, or natural gas. The liquid is forced through the fine holes of a nozzle, called a spinneret. As the liquid emerges from the holes, it is cooled so that it solidifies to form tiny threads. These threads are woven together to make fabric. To make these clothes more durable, perfluorochemicals, PFCs, including Teflon, are added to fabric to offer wrinkle and stain-resistant qualities. Look for clothing made of natural or organic materials. To learn more about synthetic clothes, click here. 4. Remove faux/fabric furniture. If you have any furniture in your bedroom, such as a chair that is artificial leather, it shouldn't be in your bedroom or any room in your house for that matter. You may be surprised to learn that polyvinyl chloride, PVC, is often used in synthetic leather. PVC is widely regarded as the most dangerous of all plastics. It is made more flexible with the use of toxic plasticizers, typically phthalates, which are known endocrine disruptors. Throw pillows and seating cushions that are stain and water resistant have been sprayed with chemicals that are toxic. If the fabric is a cotton, polyester blend, it was most likely treated with formaldehyde and softened with ammonia. 2. Replace these when you can with organic or natural material. 5. Remove particle board and MDF. If you have any furniture that is made of particle board, MDF or melamine, it shouldn't be in your house, especially your bedroom. MDF is made with shredded wood that has been softened and powdered. The powder is combined with resins and other bonding agents and compacted into solid boards. The chemical that causes the most concern is formaldehyde, which can aggravate asthma and other lung conditions, irritate mucous membranes, and cause contact dermatitis. 5. Like MDF, particle board contains formaldehyde, a known carcinogen that has been directly linked to nasopharyngeal carcinoma, throat cancer, in people. The chemical can also cause headaches, allergies, nausea and a burning sensation in the throat. According to TLC, How Stuff Works, within 2 months, particle board decreases its toxicity by about 25%. By the end of the first year, particle board is only half as potent as it was new. It levels off from there and can take up to 10 years to run completely out gas. 5. Look for solid wood furniture at furniture stores, Flea markets and yard sales. Glass and metal end tables and desks generally work well as they don't outgaze and are easily wiped down. 6. Remove accent, throw rugs. Wood or tile floors are easiest to clean and better options for allergy, asthma and MCS sufferers. While small accent or area rugs may look nice in your bedroom, they hold on to dirt, dust mites and other allergens. If you can, omit rugs and carpet. Almost all polyester is manufactured with antimony, a carcinogen that is toxic to the heart, lungs, liver, and skin. 4. Many carpets are also made of olefin, polypropylene. Nylon, which is petroleum-based synthetic fiber invented in the 1930s by DuPont and is common in rugs. 7. Use Novok paint. If you decide to paint a room, use Novok, volatile organic compounds, paint. Voks are unstable, carbon-containing compounds that easily vaporize into the air. When they enter the air, they react with other elements to produce ozone, which causes air pollution and a host of health issues including breathing problems, headache, burning, watery eyes and nausea. 6-8. Shoe-free zone. Consider making your home a shoe-free zone. Have indoor and outdoor shoes to avoid tracking in pollen, dirt and chemicals from outdoors in. You can also purchase a shoe or boot tray to keep by your door. When you come in from outdoors, simply place your shoes in the tray to minimize dirt, pollen, dust and chemicals from being tracked into your house. 9. Minimize electrical devices. If you have a computer, TV or other electronic devices in your bedroom, you may consider moving them into another room. Electronic devices can disturb a peaceful night of sleep by disrupting sleep patterns. Switch out your digital alarm clock to a battery-operated alarm clock. 10. Replace or cover your mattress. This is the most difficult step as it is cost-prohibitive for many people. The reality is that conventional mattresses are sprayed with flame-retardant and stain-resistant chemicals. Many mattresses are made of foam that can outgaze for years. There are many sources for organic mattresses at local stores and online. Wherever you shop, be aware of greenwashing. If you can't afford to replace your mattress, you may consider wrapping it in a foil barrier cloth available at www.fsfoil.com. They also sell a foil tape to seal the edges. I found the tape to have a strong smell, although it does evaporate in 3-4 days. If you are chemically sensitive, have someone else do this for you. 11. Buy an air cleaner. If you can afford a whole house air cleaner, they are a wonderful investment. Do your research, there are a lot to choose from. For many people, a portable air cleaner that can be moved from room to room is a wonderful option. Look for one with HEPA filtration, and be sure that whatever you buy does not produce ozone. Some air cleaning companies will even custom blend their charcoal filters for specific needs such as allergy, asthma, smoke, MCS etc. 12. Remove chemically treated drapes or shades. Drapes and shades hide dust, pollen, and other allergens. If you can remove drapes and shades and replace them with organic fabric drapes and shades. If the cost is prohibitive, consider bartering with a friend who can sew curtains or drapes for you. Wood blinds may also be an option for some individuals. If you are building a new home or remodeling, you may consider blinds that are in between the glass, no outgassing, and no weekly cleaning. This post was originally published on My Health Maven. Elisha is deeply passionate about educating people and empowering them to lead healthier lives. I encourage you to check out her blog. References: The Toxic Bedroom by Walter Bader 1, Home Safe Home by Deborah Lindad 2, Gretel H. Schuler, From Hippie to Hip, Audubon Magazine, http://www.audubonmagazine.org/audubonliving0911.html3, William McDonough, Michael Braungart, Transforming the Textile Industry, Victor Innovatex, Eco-Intelligent Polyester and the Next Industrial Revolution, Green at Work, May to June 2002.